Hey guys, Pat Golinski here on another refinish. We are at a friend's house today doing her countertops because this house is going to be up for sale pretty soon. But let's take a look at these countertops. You know what? When these were brand new, they were fine, but times have changed. This is now 2020. Hard to even say that, but it is. So we need an update. So we got the square edge Formica here, which has to go. This isn't going to sell the house too easy. So what I'm going to do is cut this, round it over, and we're going to spray it in one of my colors called Dover. Now this is one of the colors, I have over 20. This is beautiful. It's got a more of an off-white base with different flecks in it. And when this thing is sprayed up, this thing is going to look fantastic. So we have a lot of areas here. We have this area here for like a bar area. We're going to be cutting this edge, cutting that edge. We've got this long area here with the sink. You wrap over here, your stove goes here. Got this area here. We got some burnt areas here, which is very common. So what happens is, you know, you're cooking on the stove, you take the pan, you set it aside, and whoops, you got a burnt area. So I can fix that. I'm gonna fix any areas between the backsplash. We've got the island, and over here we have a small area for maybe sitting down and doing your bills or recipes or whatnot. So this is kind of a fairly large job here. So this is a one full day job and clean it up tomorrow. Wait until you see this one. Well, we got another one done, and we got a happy customer here. We got a huge change. We had boring white Formica, and there's millions of them out there just like this. Now we have an updated color. This color is called Dover. So let's take a look at what we did. We rounded over that square edge, and that is so important when you're spraying countertops because now this looks like a slab of stone. Any outside square edge was done. This one, this one, this one. And right over here, we're rounding through the kitchen. Right over here, got this side here done. The island looks great now. Again, rounded over edges. And here, we finish it up with this outside edge that's now soft. So if someone bumps into it, they're not gonna hurt themselves. So we got a brand new looking kitchen, which is gonna help this client sell this house. I'm Pat Golinski. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing all the videos. If you want to see more videos just like this, go to my YouTube channel, Pat Golinski Official. We have over 80 videos on there. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.